Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Hey, it's the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, before the quotes, why not come and join the LDL family? I do have chocolate available. Book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com or drop a text message on 07801 543 515. Let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote from Darth Vader. Strong people don't put others down. They lift them up. They say it's the same as working for a leader or a boss. A boss will give you the orders and then sit back waiting for you to do all the work, waiting for it all just to happen in front of them. A leader though, this is someone who does what their title says. They lead. They take their team with them and lead by example, not afraid to do anything that comes along. This is also the same for strong people, lifting others to try and reach their own full potential day after day. But the question is that something that you do?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.